Hey there, Monster Gardeners! Today we're going to be discussing a little bit about double-ended bulbs, their safe use and installation, and why that's such an important thing. What is a double-ended bulb? We're all used to the standard screw-in mogul socket type of bulb. Everybody's seen one of those. What we're talking about today specifically are these double-ended bulbs right here. This particular one happens to be made by Philips for the Gavita lighting product. Since we started selling Gavitas, we've sold thousands and thousands and thousands of them and only ever had one have an issue where it arced out and caused the bulb and the reflector to no longer be useful. We just started selling these home gardener type units, hoods and reflectors, just recently. They've only just come out to the home market. This particular one is called the DE Boss. It is distributed by Sunlight Supply. And as you can see, if you don't install the bulb correctly, this can happen to you. Gentleman purchased this hood from us because he couldn't get it from his local shop. Couldn't figure out how to install the bulb correctly himself. So this particular shop in Rockland, California decided that they would help him out and install it for him. Well, as you can see, this bulb was not installed correctly. It is intended to be installed in the horizontal position like this. See how the tabs are horizontal? Not the vertical position like this. So this bulb was installed vertically, forced into the socket like that. It arced out, very nearly caused a fire that could have cost this man his home, his livelihood, or possibly even his life. That's why it's important to be educated on such products as these. The double-ended bulb is the newest platform for our industry. And in the years to come, I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of growers that are still using the traditional mogul-based socket type of bulbs like these. Simply because the par rating, the amount of light intensity and all of those things that you get from one of these bulbs are so much greater than their 1000-watt counterparts, be it high-pressure sodium or metal halide. These just put off so much more par, so much more light intensity, equaling bigger yields, better quality, better product. So we believe definitely that these are the wave of the future. That's why we've been selling them for the past 3 years to commercial growers. Now that these are available to the residential grower, we just wanted to make sure that something like this doesn't happen to you. This is a crying shame right here. So you have these two plastic clips here, and that's actually what's responsible for holding the bulb in place. You'll notice that there are 2 wires on this bulb. The wires stick out so that they can go into the terminals. Now on the DE Boss here, what ended up happening was they couldn't get it to make connection sitting in a horizontal position like this, or vertical position, I'm sorry, like this. So they actually bent the wires down so that they would make contact inside of the reflector. Obviously, if you're having to bend the wires or something like that, there's something wrong. So this is the correct way to install a double-ended bulb. Make sure that the wires are straight. They go down to the contacts, and you'll feel that the bulb is firmly seated at the bottom. The clips very simply slide in, left and right. Make sure the bulb is secure, and you're done. It is so much faster than your traditional mogul socket type of bulb. You're gonna have your reflector and your bulb installed correctly like this. You're not gonna have a fire like this.
But I got a Papillon. It's different, right?
No, an E-Papillon has a different reflector, but that's it. As you can see, the E-Papillon, all of these double-ended bulbs, they have the same basic setup. And that is a double-ended bulb that goes into the socket, and you should never have to force these in. These are spring-loaded clips. Once they are fastened in place, they're not coming loose, as you can see. Check to see the bulb is tight. Your bulb is installed properly. This goes for an ACDE, a DE Boss, an Adjust-A-Wings with the double-ended socket on there. The E-Papillon, the Gavita. I'm sure there's going to be more to come out in the future, but these are how all of these work, and we just want you guys to be educated so something like that happened to this customer here doesn't happen to you. Thank you so much for tuning in to monstergardens.com. If you have any questions or comments, please give us a call and make sure to do some shopping online. Have a great day.